India first priority for COVID-19 vaccine delivery, said Serum Institute. Serum Institute of India CEO Adit Poonawalla on Monday stated that India will be given first priority for the delivery of the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine, adding, "It's very important we take care of our country first." Poonawalla stated that Serum should produce at least 100 million doses by January, of which about 90% would be sold to the Indian government. India has recorded 37,975 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's total number of cases to 91,77,840. The death toll due to this disease rise to 1,34,218 with 480 more deaths. The number of active COVID-19 cases stands at 4,38,667 after as many as 87,04,955 people recovered from the disease so far. There was 70% chance of stroke and 30% chance of death, said Rana on health issues. Opening up about health issues he faced last year, actor Rana Tagpati said, "When life was on a fast forward, there was suddenly a pause button." He added, "There was BP calcification around the heart and you have failed kidneys. 70% chance of stroke or hemorrhage and 30% chance of death, right?" He added. Abhayam app for safety of women passengers launched in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh CM YS Jagannath Reddy launched the Abhayam app that will allow women commuting in autos and taxis to raise alarm during an emergency. To start with, 1,000 auto rickshaws equipped with IoT-enabled GPS devices will be rolled out in Visakhapatnam city. A QR code affixed to vehicles when scanned will load the driver's details on women passengers' phone. 23 medicinal plants of Karnataka on International Union's endangered list. Karnataka Biodiversity Board revealed that 23 rare medicinal plants in Karnataka have been listed as endangered on International Union for Conservation of Nature's list. The medicinal plants in the list include sandalwoods, wild clove, and red sanders, among others. A study on the species listed increasing demand for herbal products and smuggling as some of the threats faced by them. Delhi Crime wins International Emmy Award for Best Drama Series. Netflix Delhi Crime has won International Emmy Award for Best Drama Series. "I dedicate this award to all women who not just endure the violence that so many men inflict on them, but are then tasked to solve the problem," director Richie Mehta said. Actress Shefali Shah shared a clip in which she can be heard saying, "Oh my God." Trump agrees to begin transition to Biden administration. US President Donald Trump on Monday allowed officials to proceed with the transition to President-elect Joe Biden. In a tweet, Trump told the General Services Administration to do what needs to be done with regard to initial protocols. However, Trump further wrote, "Our case strongly continues. We will keep up the good fight and I believe we will prevail." British pianist surrounded by monkeys while playing to study their behavior. British pianist Paul Barton was surrounded by several monkeys while playing a piano in Thailand's Lopburi to study their behavioral responses to classical music. A picture is being widely shared online showing the monkeys climbing Barton's shoulders and some sitting on the piano. "I was surprised to find they were actually eating the music as I was playing it," he said. Prime Minister to discuss COVID-19 situations, vaccine distributions with CMs tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to hold virtual meetings with CMs and other representatives of states and University of Texas on Tuesday to review COVID-19 situation and discuss vaccine distribution strategy. PM Modi will likely hold two meetings, one of which will be with CMs of states with high COVID-19 caseloads: Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal and Kerala. Chrome extensions detail page to show user data collection information soon. Google Chrome extension detail page in the Chrome Web Store will have to show information about the data collected by the extension starting January 2021. As per Google's new set of policies, the information will be provided straight by the developers. Google has also specified that developers will have to provide the information in clear and easy to understand language. Vitamin D does not come from the sun, it comes from our skin. Sunlight is the factor that converts cholesterol in our skin to vitamin D3. Fire snail is one of the rarest snail and can only be found within a 100-kilometer radius in Malaysia. Ireland has no army and is also recognized as the world's most peaceful country. There is an eco bridge in Singapore that allows animals to cross the highway. Everything you say to Siri is sent to Apple, analyzed and stored. iPad's Retina display is actually made by Samsung.